What up, YouTube? AR Platinum. Alright, today, to start off today, we have a lot today. We have 2 boxes of Upper Deck Premier Basketball and 2 packs of SP Rookie Threads. Each of these is its own group break. 2 separate group breaks. So, this will be group break number 1. Group break number 1, not to be confused with group break number 2, involves these people: Bustin' Packs, BCX Raider, Joe Snatch, 711, DX Wags, Tufts Runner, GJD76, B Graber, Topher Foy, JM Sesmat, and Modern Rebellion. This is you guys. So, we will do the SP Rookie Threads first. Let me grab my big old trash bin real quick. Alright. Group break 1. Starting off with, nice. For SP Threads, it's actually a pretty decent hit. Larry Bird, LeBron James, dual jersey. Not numbered, but still. And then we have a triple jersey, not numbered, between the Bulls, Rockets, and Nets. And that is Derrick Rose, Joey Dorsey, and Chris Douglas Roberts. And what do you know? Another duel. Scottie Pippen, Carmelo Anthony. That wasn't a bad pack. Okay, now for the good stuff. All right, good luck, everybody. For the Nuggets, Carmelo Anthony base out of 99. And then for the Rockets, Hakeem Olajuwon, manufactured coaster, number 10 of 10. For the Bulls, rookie quad jersey auto, Joakim Noah, numbered out of 199. Then we have for the Trailblazers, Brandon Roy, numbered 3 of 50. Auto. And for the Spurs, Tony Parker, quad jersey, numbered out of 50. Well, we really need something big. For the Nets, a dual patch of Sean Williams, and that's numbered out of 52. And big, but not as big as it could be, LeBron James, Michael Jordan, Magic Johnson, numbered 24 of 25. Triple jersey. James, Jordan, Johnson. So, there you have it. I guess I'm going to have to randomize that. Randomize a lot of things for this group break. Alright, well, thank y'all for watching. I'll have this one coming up in just a minute. Holla at you, boys.